No, hey, we're recording. Hey, folks, Mr. McStache with Mrs. McStache. We are in Canada, eh?
Hey.
Oh, you didn't know? Like, take off, you hosers. We don't have any of that. So that's why we're coming.
In Canada, you know, you ride motorcycles, you eat ice cream. Oh, you stack cows. That's just stacked cows. I don't know. There's a stack of cows. Well, there was a stack of cows. One's utterly
Relaxing. She's chilling.
And there's a nice little gazebo over here. You can go sit and eat your ice cream in with a cow. But it's Holy Cow, Lock City Dairies Ice Cream Shop. It says open, but it's not because it's a holiday. In Canada, they have holidays for labor. Oh, crap. Huh? Wonder if you can lay like that. I don't know. Can you lay like that? Don't hang your udders out. Okay. So, there you go, folks. Mr. and Mrs. McStache invade Canada and lay on cows. Oh, my goodness. What a mess. So, this is obviously a big time because they got signs everywhere talking about this place. And yeah, we're roadside America, as you can see. Well, it's roadside North America. We're in Canada. We're on the side of the road. Look. Up on top of the building. We even got a cow up there. So, from the utterly disgusting roadside Canada.
Anatomically correct.
Yes. I when I turned around and realized what was going on, I was like, oh my goodness. So, all right, folks, before we get in trouble here, because whatever. Oh, see, we're getting yelled at already. We already have one of the locals telling us we're doing bad things. But quick update. Not all Canadians are hosers. Whatever hoser is, eh?
We don't know what that is.
But they're not hosers.
Either are, because maybe hosers is a good thing.
Oh, it could be a good thing. Put in the comments whether you think hosers is a good thing or a bad thing, eh? Because the little girl come out from the inside and said, we don't open till 11 o'clock, eh? But if you would like something, I'll make it for you.
So guess where we're going?
We're going to get ice cream.
So we have our own dairy here. We ship our dairy to Kawartha and Shaw's. They process our ice cream with our dairy and then they ship it back to us. So it's kind of homemade.
Awesome. Thank you.
So, before we get in trouble, we want to say thank you to our Patreon members. For as little as $1 a day, you can help out, be heroes like these guys right here. But we want to say, love on your family, check on your buddy, and when you get back out there, folks, keep it rubber side down. We'll see you next one. Bye-bye.